Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Hyundai Kona can take you to some really cool places like biking, camping, or even towing a small U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install.
You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
We're going to start by prepping the underbody of our vehicle for our hitch. Now on our driver's side, underneath our bumper beam, we have this wiring harness that's going to be in the way. So we're going to relocate it to above our bumper beam so it's not sandwiched by our hitch. To disconnect it from our bumper beam, we're going to slide it towards the outside of our vehicle, and that will allow us to make it loose. Now we're going to unattach it by pushing down on this tab. Now we're going to bring it above our bumper beam, and then we're going to connect it on top. Now on the passenger side, we're going to remove this underbody panel. It's held in by 2 push pins and 1 plastic nut. Now we're going to remove those 2 push pins using a flathead screwdriver, and we'll remove the plastic nut using a 10mm socket. And we'll remove that panel, and we'll be reinstalling it later. Now on the bottom of both of the frame rails, we're going to remove these rubber plugs. So now we're ready to bring our hardware into place. We're going to use a fish wire to bring our bolts into position. We're going to be bringing them into these 2 holes on each side of the frame rail. Our provided hardware gives us 2 bolts for each side with a spacer. We're going to bring it in using a fish wire through that access hole where we removed our rubber plug. Let's go ahead and show you how that's done. So we're going to start with our rear attachment point, and we're going to take our fish wire, we're going to push it through till it comes out of our access hole. Now we're going to take our bolt and spacer and we're going to attach it to our fish wire. Now we're going to push our spacer in first, and then our bolt, and then we'll pull it through our attachment point. And then we'll repeat on our other attachment point. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now if you have an all-wheel drive Kona, it does help to lower the exhaust just a little bit to be able to bring our hitch into place. Ours isn't an all-wheel drive, so let's go get our hitch. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We'll be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch can be kind of heavy. Now before we bring our hitch all the way up, we're going to need to take our bolts and we're going to lightly push it back into the frame with the fish wire still attached. And then we're going to take the end of our fish wires and we're going to run it through the attachment points on our hitch. And we'll do that on both sides. With our hitch in place, we're going to remove our fish wires on all of our bolts, being careful not to push them back into the frame, and we're going to install the provided flange nuts. And we'll do that on both sides. With all of our hardware into place, we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specifications. We're going to use an 11/16 socket. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now we're going to reinstall our underbody panel on our passenger side. With our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25 inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 12 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.